Hey everyone, Stephanie here. Today we are making lemon poppy seed muffins. These muffins are delicious, they're lemony, fresh, and you make them all in one bowl. These lemon poppy seed muffins were requested by someone at the station, and then I confirmed with a friend of mine who has watched every single Baking Journal episode that she'd love to see me make them too. So let's get started. Into a large bowl, let's combine 2/3 of a cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of good vanilla, whisking that all together. There is a lot of lemon zest in this recipe, but that's what gives it that really nice burst of freshness. In go our delicious poppy seeds, give them a good stir, and then add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. In keeping true to our one bowl, I've got salt and baking powder in here that I am just adding directly on top of my flour. I'm just gonna mix it up on top of my flour before I fold it all in. I'm mixing the batter together gently until there are no visible lumps. Your batter should look something like this. Last up is the sour cream. Sour cream adds a delicious tangy flavor, as well as moisture and fluffiness to the muffins. Stir it into the batter until well combined. This muffin batter is pretty thick, but it bakes up really nice and tall and fluffy, and so we want to fill our muffin liners up pretty much to the top, and this particular recipe makes 7. Place your muffins in a preheated 375-degree oven. While we're waiting for the muffins to bake, let's make our glaze. So I'm going to add my lemon juice a little bit at a time until I reach the consistency that I want. If you like your glaze thinner, then add more. If you like it on the thick side, then add less. The muffins just came out of the oven. They were in for about 22 minutes. Look at how nice and high they've risen. They look great. I'm just gonna let them cool off for a couple minutes before I put on the glaze. I'm using a spoon to drizzle the glaze over each of the muffins. In my opinion, the more glaze, the better. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I've got my coffee brewing. I can't wait to give one of these muffins a taste. So here goes. Honestly, it is delicious. You get that freshness of the lemon zest in the muffin itself, and then the nice little crunchies from the poppy seeds and the fresh lemon juice in the glaze gives it that nice tart lemony sweetness. It is an absolute winner of a recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon on another episode of the Baking Journal.